This book is really designed for families where an adult is dealing with the crisis of long-term custodial care, meaning that they need help, recent diagnosis of dementia, Parkinson's, Huntington's disease, other similar conditions. These are complicated ailments, and many families feel that they're alone. You're not alone. There's lots and lots of folks and lots of resources out there that can help you with your condition, with your situation. This book is a resource guide to help those families with those issues, and it is designed for anyone, whether it's the caregiver, whether it's the spouse, the child, or even the individual who needs help. Well, it's laid out in a way where we briefly frame the issues up front, talking about how care is paid for, the types of care that you can get, and the back half of the book, probably the back 2/3 of the book, is a resource guide for the entire state of California, where I've compiled a comprehensive list of every facility, every service that will accept some form of government benefit to pay for care. And so it's really designed to help people not only understand what types of care are out there, but how to pay for care, and then the resources that will line up with the different methodologies to pay for care. So it really is a comprehensive guide.